Hi friends, how are you? This is day 2 and today we are discussing fight with fear in English speaking because the many people are not speak in English for with fear because we every people know about when we are speaking in English and some other of our friends and our colleagues are joke on our English. So please ignore him and ignore all the joking person. So today we are discussing about ignoring person like some many people's and first of all many times I uh, end this session live this session because the I have no confidence, but this is day 2 and that time I realize and build my confidence in front of camera, and then uh, uh, level like a level up, and what can I speaking, and many times I speak in this session and but what can I do for, because I know my English is very poor, better than who know about in English, but I will try to speak in English better than my community, better than my friends, better than all my teachers and teachers. So please support me and like this video and follow me for uh, all this session. And I decide to at day 10 I give you advice how to speak like me and how to start speaking in English me at day 10. So please continue watching my video and like this session. Okay, thank you so much.